Welcome to 152 Hillcrest Lane, a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story home that's nestled in the desirable Hillcrest Village in Whiteville, North Carolina. This beautiful property offers a unique blend of comfort, convenience, and charm, and it's perfect for families and anyone looking for a peaceful retreat. As you approach the home, you'll be greeted by a charming covered front porch, perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee or enjoying the evening breeze. Step inside to discover a spacious living area with a cozy fireplace, ideal for family gatherings or quiet nights in. The formal dining room is perfect for hosting dinner parties, while the well-equipped kitchen features modern appliances, including a built-in microwave and an electric stove. This home boasts 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths, providing plenty of space for everyone. The master bedroom, located on the non-primary living area, offers a peaceful retreat and ample closet space. Outside, you'll find a generous 1-acre lot with plenty of room for outdoor activities. The expansive yard features RV hookups with 50 and 30 amps and 110 volts, making it ideal for travelers or RV enthusiasts. The property also includes a 2-car, concrete-covered carport, providing ample parking and protection from the elements. Relax on the enclosed back porch, offering a versatile space for all-season enjoyment. The closed-in garage is a standout feature, complete with a sink, a shower, and a pet door for convenient pet access to the house. One of the most attractive features of this home, other than this swing right here, is the fact that it's got a VA assumable loan that's at a fixed rate of 4.785%. Now what does that mean to you? Well, the current rates are about 6.1 to 6.6 depending on which bank you go with right now, and that could mean anywhere between $200 and $275 a month back in your pocket just by assuming this loan that's already done versus taking out your new loan. You also have to think about that starts your term over. You're going to have a 30-year term versus this one, which is, if you assume it, is already been started. Located in the tranquil Hillcrest Village area, this home is conveniently located close to schools, parks, and shopping in Whiteville. The community offers a friendly, community-oriented atmosphere, perfect for families or those seeking a peaceful lifestyle. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to own this beautiful home here at 152 Hillcrest Lane. Contact me and I'll schedule you a private showing, and then you can see the unique charm that this property has. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this property or any other listings that I have, please feel free to call me, contact me, call me 910-317-4401. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you won't miss any of the real estate deals that I put on my channel. All right? Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next video.